Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, I am going to show you how to host Zoom video conferencing and also how to attend one. First, you are going to have to download Zoom on your PC. To do that, head over to the website zoom.us. When you're on the site, click on the download button to kick off the download. When the download is done, click on the exe to begin the installation. After downloading and installing the app, when you launch it, you are going to see something like this. Right now, I am in the Home tab. And this is where I can start meetings by hitting on the new meeting button. Or I can join a meeting by hitting on this join button. And then you will get this dialog. Right here you can enter the meeting ID. If you don't want to connect to audio or you want to turn off the video, you can check any of these boxes and then hit on the join button to join the meeting. With schedule, you can schedule a meeting for a later date and time. Up here you can type in the topic for the meeting. Choose a date and time for the meeting. Generate a meeting ID or use a personal meeting ID that people can join the meeting with. You can also select the video, audio, and calendar properties. For example, as the host, whether you want your video off or on, or the participant's video on or off when the meeting starts. You also have other advanced options down here. You can also share a screen. For example, if there's something you want your audience to see that is on your PC, like a picture or any running application, you can share such right here. Next, you have Zoom Team Chat. Right here, you can message and collaborate with internal or external contacts in Zoom. Within Meeting, you can view all your scheduled or upcoming meetings and recorded meetings. Within Contact, you can view all your contacts in Zoom. You can also view channels down here. Channels allows you to create public or private groups where one can send messages and files and can start and join meetings with the channel members. The next tab is Apps. Right here is where you can download and install Zoom plugins. Now that is enough for the interface. Let's host a meeting. To do that, head over to the Home tab and click on the New Meeting button. And there the meeting is live. Down here, when I hit on the microphone button, I can choose the microphone and the speaker. If you have multiple microphones installed, you can go ahead and choose the one you want. Right now my video is disabled, but when I hit on the start video button, the video will be live. But I'm not going to be doing that right now. Next is security. Down here I can lock meeting, enable waiting room, hide profile picture. You can also control what people who participate in the meeting can do and not do. For example, you can choose whether they can share a screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves, start video, and share whiteboard. Within participants, you can view all who are present in the meeting. Right now, it's just me. But I can invite more people by hitting on this invite button. Here, I can invite people from my contacts, desk phone, or email. Down here, you can copy the invite link or the invitation. And at the bottom right end is the meeting passcode. You can chat with people while in the meeting. Here you can choose your recipients. If you select everyone, just like it is right here, everyone in the meeting will be able to see the message and save it. But if you select specific people as your recipients, only the people you select will be able to see and save your messages. Within Share Screen, I can share open windows on my PC, my screen, whiteboards, iPhone or iPads. Within Advanced, I can share more, PowerPoints as virtual background, a portion of my screen, audio, video, and content from a 2D camera. And within Files, you can share files from any of these cloud providers here. You can record an ongoing meeting by hitting on the record button.
Recording in progress.
You might want to record the meeting for record purposes or so that you can show it to someone who missed the meeting. You can pause the recording with the pause button up here.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
And you can also stop it with the stop button next to it.
Recording stopped.
When you stop the recording during the meeting, the recorded file will be converted when the meeting ends, as it says right here. Next, you have the reactions button. Right here, you can react during meetings with emojis. There's a bunch of them down here. With Whiteboard, you can collaborate whenever and wherever you want. Share your online whiteboard to collaborate with anyone with a Zoom account. Advanced whiteboarding tools allows users to expand and clarify their ideas. All participants in a meeting can see the whiteboard you are sharing and can annotate it using the whiteboard annotation tools from their Zoom application. When you click on the End button, you can either end the meeting for everyone or just leave the meeting without ending it. I am going to end this meeting, so I am going to hit on the End Meeting for All button. Immediately I end the meeting, you are going to see the recording I made earlier being converted. When the conversion is done, it's going to open the file location of the recording. So that is it, guys. That is how to use Zoom to host and attend meetings. If you find this video helpful, do well to support this channel by liking this video and also subscribing to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.